Day in the life of a housewife slash entrepreneur in Pakistan. You guys are loving these videos, so I'm going to carry on doing them. We left from Islamabad at 5:23 and we headed towards Mirpur. I was so tired at this point. I don't even know how I was driving. We got to Mirpur at 7:30 in the morning and I literally went to sleep and woke up at 3 p.m. Did my usual 30 minutes on the treadmill, and then basically there was these guys installing cameras and I just could not deal with the noise. They went to pray salah in the masjid, so this was like my little break and I got to enjoy like 3 minutes of peace. Then I took my husband's hala and my sister-in-law to do some Eid shopping. We started off in Cardi and then we went to this place called Almira. We made ways back just in time for iftar, and this was the view when I got home. I just thought I'd casually take a video while I wait for the gates to open. Everything looked so golden, it was so nice. Then we had iftar, and right after iftar I remembered I had to do the bari because I didn't get time to do it in the morning. Oh, and then I remembered I needed to book tickets for Dubai. We literally fly out in 3 days and I've done no packing whatsoever. And then I decided to spend the rest of the evening staring at these beautiful flowers and just relaxing in the garden.